Are you new to the world of cryptocurrencies and want to invest in the best ones? But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we will guide you on how to find the best cryptocurrencies to invest in, even if you're a beginner. We'll explain 4 key factors to evaluate before investing in any crypto project, such as reading the white paper, analyzing the project team and partnerships, understanding market metrics, and determining if the cryptocurrency has utility. We'll also share 2 high-potential crypto projects and some inspiring investment stories. Plus, we'll provide 3 tips for beginner investors to follow. So, if you want to make informed decisions when investing in cryptocurrencies and potentially change your life, keep watching until the end. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Now, without any further delay, let's start the video with 4 main factors you must consider. When assessing a crypto project, the first key factor to consider is reading the white paper. One of the most crucial resources for assessing a cryptocurrency is its white paper, which forms the basis of the project's business case. It is a reliable document that outlines the objectives and plans for using cryptocurrencies. Additionally, white papers act as a roadmap for the token and are typically one of the first documents that prospective investors read before investing in the project. Additionally, you can find a coin's tokenomics in a cryptocurrency white paper. The tokenomics include information about the token's supply restrictions and how it will be divided among investors. If that is a component of the ecosystem, it also contains information on token burning as well as fresh token creation. It's true that some white papers are so complex and sophisticated that you don't necessarily need to comprehend every technical element, but it's still crucial to understand the project's theme, its objectives, and its strategy. A big red signal is the absence of a white paper, and any reliable white paper should be devoid of spelling and grammar mistakes. The second factor is analyzing the project team and partnerships, which is very important. A cryptocurrency's team members are essential to its success. Members of several trustworthy currencies development teams have taken part in previous lucrative coin launches. This promotes greater trust within the neighborhood. The project's white paper and website should list the project's founders and other important participants. Investigate the team to learn more about its standing and influence within the blockchain community. A team that has a track record of completing successful projects is a positive sign. Yet, a team that is completely new to the crypto industry may lack the skills necessary to accomplish its objectives. Take a look at the list of partnerships, if any, in addition to the project team. This is typically located on the website's landing page. Here comes the 4th factor, which is the most technical but comprises of project's market metrics such as market cap, trading volume, and supply metrics. So let's see how to evaluate that. But before we delve into that, subscribe to our channel Money Internet if you want to listen to more tips and financial recommendations for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. First of all, it's the market capitalization. A cryptocurrency's market capitalization is determined by multiplying its price by the total supply of coins or tokens in circulation. In general, it is safer to invest in cryptocurrencies with a big market cap above $1 billion. However, this is not a foolproof strategy because some cryptocurrencies with high market caps are still high risk. Therefore, it is not advisable to determine the value potential only based on market cap. Second, we have this trading volume. The trading volume of the coin is another sign to look out for. This measure displays the volume of cryptocurrency trading over a specific period of time. A high volume indicates that many investors are buying and selling, which increases liquidity and stabilizes prices. And thirdly, we have these supply metrics. The maximum supply of most cryptocurrencies, or the total amount of coins that will ever exist, is what it really means. The bulk of cryptocurrencies has some cap. even if it's in the hundreds of billions of coins. Unlike some cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin that have an unlimited supply. Now comes the final key factor, which also explains the adoption, technology, and how big the project can be, and that is determining whether the cryptocurrency has a utility or not. Not every cryptocurrency has a useful function. Look for coins in the blockchain ecosystem that have practical uses. Is the goal of the coin project to improve the functionality of the network or to address a problem inside it? Ethereum is one such case in point. You know that because so many smart contracts, NFT initiatives, and businesses depend on it to function, its worth should endure over time. Some digital currencies, like Bitcoin, are decentralized and utilized as a store of value and for payments. Now that you are clear about the key factors to evaluate a cryptocurrency project, let's get into 2 high potential crypto projects, which are considered good investment options. And the first one is Quantum or QNT. Every day, new cryptocurrency initiatives pop up. Therefore, it is important for the industry to continue making sure blockchain technology is reliable and safe. Quant Protocol, on the other hand, seeks to advance blockchain technology by resolving interoperability problems. The Overledger network, which has produced an API, is the main selling point of the Quant Protocol. But this is not the only reason which makes QNT a good option, but even in the tough times of the bear market, Quant held its price and market cap, which shows the potential it holds. The second project is Phantom or FTM, with its blockchain algorithm taking center stage. The Phantom cryptocurrency has a lot of potentials. After all, the programmability of this coin is its entire phenomenon. The Phantom ecology can benefit from the blockchain ecosystem. As a result, consumers can use Phantom for all marketplace transactions, including those involving financial services, apps, and games, to mention a few, that can be developed on the platform. But in the crypto sector, don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the crypto market is highly volatile. This is why you should always consider diversification. One of the fundamental principles of investing is diversification, which considerably reduces the risk of a portfolio. You increase your chances of protecting your assets and making money by diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio and regularly rebalancing your holdings. Spreading your investment among a number of different currencies, tokens, or projects is one way to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. Even if you choose to invest in the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, one cryptocurrency investment can still be dangerous. And now let's see some inspiring crypto investment stories, which can boost your morale too. But before that, if you would like to buy cryptocurrencies, consider buying them over the safest exchanges like Bybit and Changelly. And the first story is about a guy named Daniel Crocker. Daniel was an apprentice at an IT firm in 2012 when he began discussing with his co-workers about making some additional money. As a result of hearing about Bitcoin, Daniel decided to invest. He kept those coins for 8 years as the value of each rose. He sold portions of his holdings in 2020 in order to finance the purchase of a new home. And even though Bitcoin has crashed in 2022, Daniel is still a millionaire. The next story is about a guy named Christopher Koch. Christopher first learned about Bitcoin in 2009 while pursuing his master's in encryption at his Norwegian university. He spent roughly $26 to buy himself 5,000 Bitcoins out of curiosity to learn more. When it came to price, it was definitely reasonable. He was listening to news broadcasts about Bitcoin when he decided to cash in some of the bonds and found he was basically a millionaire. His account still has 4,000 Bitcoin in it. Today, Christopher has no regrets about investing big at such an early stage and thus becoming wealthy. And this is how investing in the right coin can change your life too. In the end, let's see the 3 tips which a beginner investor should follow. And the first one is to audit your finances before you even start to invest, like before taking on the risk of investing your money in the crypto market. You should first have a plan and feel financially stable. Secondly, you utilize retirement accounts as much as you can, as there's a reason the majority of Americans participate in the market through their retirement accounts. And finally, You should know you don't have to be an expert, because when you're looking to invest beyond your retirement accounts, there are plenty of investment vehicles out there that can help. That concludes the video about how to find the best crypto project, in which we have explained 4 key factors to evaluate before investing in any crypto project, along with highlighting why diversification in crypto is important, considering how much the crypto market is volatile. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and keep watching more crypto videos that will provide more tips and financial recommendations for making money with staking cryptocurrency, stocks, and finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.